like, oh no. So we've been trying to catch this little mouse.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey. Did you do it? Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Call myself a cat guy. I'm not a cat.
Neighborhood. This ain't rough. This like deadly over here. Oh, look to all Peking duck. Hell no. She.
Ew. Oh shit!
It's attacking me.
No.
I'm next. I'm next.
Somebody.
Ow, what the fuck? No! Holy fuck, dude!
Roommates hamsters meet for the first time.
They're friends.
No, no.
It's probably curled up and dead. It better be. That thing was.
Parkour!
Hello. Hello.
Do it.
Hey, mister. No, get back here.
It's okay.
Come here. He's so cute. Oh my god, he's ugly. See you, buddy.
Art, kiddo.
That's not a carrot bag.
Hello.
Get the out! 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 Out!
God, there's a huge bear at the back. Oh my God! Are you serious?
Hey!
Get out!
Get out of here!
Get out! Oh my!
Agora vem. Agora vem.
Oh gosh.
Wesley, why is the shower on? What the?
No. No. Oh no. No. Oh. Come on.
This right here is why we don't crawl. And that. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
Bet.
Oh my god!
Our friend, the pigeon, and he's lining up. Is he L2 or L3? And he's flying down the field.
He's going down the cover.
The special teams coordinator said he was going to come up with a plan for the Eagles.
Don't bring a horse in the house.
No! Oh, got it.
Oh, that was so cute.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Huh? Wow! Get away from the vent. He fell in the vent. Oh my god. No. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Bill, come back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom.
Hey, bro, you don't work here.
Chill, I'm not hurting you. I'm not hurting you.
There's a oh shit. Oh my god. Oh.
I work hard to make this house a home.
Hey, where your mom at? ¿Dónde está mamá?
Are you new here? Yeah.
Sean, you want this potato? Wait. Alexa, can guinea pigs eat potatoes?
Oh my god, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move. Scared to open this.
Ma'am, we have already established my name is not Garfield and I'm not no damn house cat. Put me the hell down. Unhand me, you scoundrel. What is wrong with you?
Oh my god.
Yes!
Hey.
What is the Get out of there.
Welcome back to KFC. How can I help you?
Yeah, there's a chicken out here.
If I could just grab that flower.
Safe drop. Come on in. Just a little bit further out there. She'll grow up one day.
Hey, easy with your hands, buddy. Get out of there. You naughty.
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.
Leonardo, ¿qué chingados haces? No andas peleando con ti mismo. Vete a la chingada. No.
Hi. Hi.
Playing a game of whack here.
What?
You're f***ing lying.
How you doing there, buddy?
I'm doing great, buddy.
You are literally chilling with a seal. This seal is sleeping on you, bro. Fight me, bitch.
Wally, is she farting? Dun. Oh my god!
Yes. Koniec?
What? Easy. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Like I say, don't go. You don't want to get in there with that thing, Joseph.
We found this cat in the dog food.
I think my cat's outside. I think I hear her eating. Oh.
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, carave.
Yeah! Would you choose? Oh! Hey, baby.
Here, you can have this chip. Oh. Well, I guess peppermint.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Right! No! Don't! Right! No! 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 Stop! No! No! Right! No! 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 What? Right!
I'm legit being attacked by pigeons. Yo, what is going on? What is going on? What is this?
Good morning. Look at this box of calves. Good morning, everybody.
Good job, guys. Ouch.
Wait. Hey, bro, you gotta go. You gotta go. Don't go down there. Ah, he died.
That's right.
That's how you do that.
Off the step.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Oh, shit! I mean, if you poke him enough, he'll move. Is he alive even?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pissed. He looked at
Can I have that back? Please. Can I have it back? Oh, thank you.
Why the f is Billy Earl on the neighbor's house? He on the roof.
We were cleaning the boat and found this guy getting a drink. Every drop counts.
Gummy. Hey. No. Go. Oh my god. Pippa, no. Pippa. No, Pippa. You're an idiot. No. No. Oh my gosh. Pippa. No. Holy.
Young lady.
I have a hard-boiled egg, and I think Jeff is scared of it. Jeff, it's okay. It's just an egg.
Which is more hilarious? If they knew this would happen, or if they did not.
Dude dropped his phone in the monkey enclosure.
It's my brother's phone, so we'll see if we'll get it back.
Yum yum.
He's like, ooh, this is nice.
Hold on, the water's not working anymore. Please, help! Help me!
You know who this is? Like, is
It's
this?
a commercial.
It's a commercial.
It's a commercial.
Ma! Ma, come outside! There's a moose or a buffalo or some shit they're fighting. Where the are you going?
Can I help you? Yummy?
I told my son to take the donkey a bath.
Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, no, 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 no.
In the fridge again.